ng season ng San Beda?
It was up and down for sure. It was a tough season for us. A lot of guys came in new. Start of the season, start of the off season pa lang naman, we were complete already. A lot of struggles during the off season. Maraming mga kulang talaga. Pero we dealt with it with what we have. Ayun it was a really tough season for us. Came in third sa Final Four and then lost the first game agad against St. Gilles. Pero still a lot of learnings pa rin sa game namin na to. And I hope we'll come back better and stronger next season.
You said hopefully you'll come back. Ikaw ba mismo babalik ka for next season?
I'm still thinking about it. Pero wala pa talaga akong final decision if I'm gonna stay or if I'm gonna go to the draft. I have 1 more year to go.
So, bakit hindi ka pa sobrang sure sa balik mo defender sa
syempre, if there's opportunities naman na to go the pros, yun naman yung mga pangarap pa rin, makarating din sa level na yun. Pero, I'm still deciding on it because syempre gusto ko pa rin makabawi next season if ever makabumalik ako sa San Beda.
lessons
Siguro listening to what our coaches wants us to do, prepping ourselves in the off season, doing all the hard work and all of the team bonding that we have to do during the off season. Siguro yun yung mga learnings na naruto namin this season. Kailangan pa namin maging mas buo and
Yun nga, so he is one of the guys that graduated already and sabi ko nga sa kanya, it was a pleasure for me as a coach to have coached him, a player of his IQ, skill, talent, and whatever his decision is, at supportan namin siya. Especially hindi namin sa pababayaan ng San Beda University kung ano man decision niya. And I'm sure pa nagpa-draft, sabi ko nga sana hopefully we meet again soon and makuha namin siya kahit early second round.
So you'd like to get him in?
Of course, so pag available niya kukunin yan. I'm sure si Coach namin din sa Meralco. Pag available niya kukunin yan.
Sino-sino
Kaya baka mamaya wala na siyang kailangan patunayan o improve dito. Baka kailangan yung next level PBA na ang kailangan kalabanin niya para mag-grow, continue yung growth niya. So,
Don't say mo personally kung tingin mo he's ready for everything.
si Yuki ready na sa PBA. Yung skill level tsaka yung basketball IQ niya ready na for the next level. And swerte kasi naman makakuha sa kanya.
Coach, i-open nyo rin po ba yung option na, di ba, meron po mga nagpapadraft kasi kumabalik. So, baka pwede rin po bang ganun yung gano'n?
Yung parang kala Havillar. Kung papasok yun sa, di pa kasi alam yung school calendar next year, parang sinabi nila gagahan daw ulit ng June eh. Diba? So kung ganun, papasok yun. So, that's an option for him to do. So everything naman is on the table. So we have to talk pa with him